Hey guys, welcome to part 6 of my discord.py making a Discord bot in Python YouTube tutorial thing, whatever. Still don't have the intro down, but whatever. In this video, we are simply going to be going over how to change the status of your bot. So you sometimes see in your Discords when one of your friends is playing a game, it might say something like playing game, and game is just sort of a filler for whatever game they're playing. You know, playing League of Legends, playing, I don't know, Fortnite, whatever. It'll just say those things, but you might be thinking, hey, can I make my bot do that? Well, you're in luck, you can, and you don't have to set it to a game, you can set it to any sort of string you want. And it's pretty straightforward, and we're about to get into that, but just a quick little thing to know. I actually filmed part 5 like 2 hours ago, and the only reason that you guys are getting 2 videos today, because it does take a bit of time to render it despite these videos being so short, purely because my computer is not at all made for rendering video. But because I thought, hey, the first video was so short, it was literally 5-6 minutes, why not give you guys another short video as well? But anyways, I probably rambled longer than it'll take for you to code this one line. And yeah, it literally is only one line. As you guys can see, I'm going to be putting the line in the onReady function simply because as soon as the bot is ready, the line will be run. I don't have to wait for an extraneous event to be triggered. It's simply the bot can control that on its own, and for the most part, that message will be displayed while the bot's online. And so getting into the code, all you have to add is await client.change presence. And then in the brackets here, you are going to set a game. And so the game is not the title here, not quite, but you're going to create a game object simply by saying discord.game, another set of brackets, and inside the game, you are now going to specify the name of the game. So if here you wanted to put something like type.help to get started, something like that, this would be the place to do it. I'm just going to put test, just for tutorial sake, but that's it. That's literally how you change the status of your bot. Pretty straightforward. There are some other parameters in here that you can change, whether it be within the game object or whether it be changing the this parameter here, or sorry, not changing this, but adding on more aside from the game here. I'm not going to go into too many specifics there, but again, you can always refer to the documentation or just ask around on the discord.py official Discord server. Those guys know a lot more than me, so might be a good place to start. If not, just check in general. But anyways, let's get to testing this code. Open in browser. Let's wait for the bot to run just in case, or not run, but get ready. You get the point. Bot's ready, good. And over here, as you can see, my bot is playing test. Right, so pretty straightforward. It happens as soon as the onReady function is called. But that's it. You can test it for yourself to even make sure that it's being called properly. Just open up Discord before the onReady function is called, or before you know, you're sort of actually no, I guess it would be before the onReady function is called. But again, for me, I would be able to know that by opening Discord before my bot is ready message there is sent. But again, you'll be able to tell very easily. But that's it for this video. Pretty straightforward, literally one line of code. I think in this day alone, in the past 2 videos, I've only had to create 3 lines of code. 3 new lines of code. So there's that. But yeah, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. Post in the comments what other videos you want me to make. But that's it for this video. And that's it. I don't know how else to end this video. Whatever. Alright, see you guys. Bye.